Hey there, fellow Journey Junkies. Are you ready to explore the world without breaking the bank? In today's video, we'll share our step-by-step guide to finding the cheapest airlines, hotels, and attractions so you can travel for cheap. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. Globe Airplane. Step 1. Research and plan ahead. The key to traveling on a budget is planning ahead. Start by researching your destination and creating a list of must-see attractions. This will help you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. Don't forget to check for any free or discounted attractions, as these can save you a lot of money. Memo Money Bag. Step 2. Be flexible with your travel dates. Airfare and hotel prices can vary greatly depending on the time of year and day of the week. To find the best deals, be flexible with your travel dates and consider traveling during off-peak seasons or weekdays. Use flight comparison websites to find the cheapest flights and set up price alerts to stay informed about any price drops. Calendar Airplane. Step 3. Choose budget accommodations. Instead of staying in expensive hotels, consider budget-friendly options like hostels, Airbnb, or even couchsurfing. These alternatives can save you a significant amount of money and often provide a more authentic travel experience. Don't forget to read reviews and compare prices before booking your stay. Hotel Flying Money. Step 4. Use public transportation. One of the best ways to save money while traveling is by using public transportation. Buses, trains, and subways are often much cheaper than taxis or rental cars. Plus, you'll get to experience the local culture and navigate the city like a true local. Metro Bus. Step 5. Eat like a local. Skip the touristy restaurants and eat like a local to save money on food. Visit local markets, street food vendors, and small family-owned restaurants for delicious and affordable meals. This is also a great opportunity to try new foods and immerse yourself in the local culture. Fork and knife with plate taco. And there you have it, Journey Junkies. Our step-by-step guide to traveling for cheap. We hope these tips help you save money on your next adventure and make your travels even more memorable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video. Globe Hand Waving.